Only Stuti is here. Where are others? स्तुति सब कहाँ है आज? किसका था पहले पीरियड? स्तुति बेटा एक काम कर दो बेटा जल्दी से.
गुड मॉर्निंग मैम.
बेटा सेंड मी द नेक्स्ट पेज, नेक्स्ट एक्सरसाइज का वो शेयर करो.
यस मैम.
बेटा नेक्स्ट एक्सरसाइज जो है ना मेरी, नेक्स्ट एक्सरसाइज 1.3 एक्सरसाइज का पेज सेंड कर दो मुझको बस.
ओके मैम.
पर्सनल मैसेज कर दो मुझको. क्विकली बेटा.
गुड मॉर्निंग मैम.
Yes, everyone, switch on your cameras. Suti is sending me the work. Rest of you send me the cameras. Sorry, send me the work. Sorry, send me the camera. Switch on your cameras and send me the work. देवांश, विकास, switch on your camera. बेटा इससे पहले वाला पीरियड किसका था देवांश?
हिंदी ग्रामर.
Hindi grammar. Are you still attending the grammar class?
मैम नो.
मैम ने ऐड कर दी मीटिंग.
यस मैम. मैम आई सेंड इट.
I got it, Suti. Thank you so much, बेटा. मैम ने मीटिंग एंड कर दी थी बेटा. Why they are not attending the class? I don't know.
मैम व्हाट?
I don't know why they are not joining the class.
Everyone, today we are going to do an activity. Everyone is going to listen to me. No one is going to talk to me. कोई बच्चा नहीं बोलेगा. When I finish, good morning.
जल्दी से, quickly.
उसके बाद किसी बच्चे को.
Why? Where are others today? Sleeping? Stuti, yes. Last time what we have done in the notebook, we have done something in the notebook. Open your mic.
Yes.
Open your mic.
We will do.
Yes, we have done this. Okay, all right, all right. Okay, Devansh. Switch on your cameras. Vikas, Athar Singh, Sheesh, Zoya. बेटा बाहर जाना है, ठीक है? रिमूव होना है मीटिंग से, तो कैमरा बंद करके बैठना, वरना कैमरा ऑन कर दो. ठीक है? Okay, Stuti, thank you so much for sending me the picture. Beta, now I'm going to tell you how to place the commas. How to make a place value chart and place the commas. All right? Okay. It's better the other students also join. Okay?
Ma'am, we have to do in book or notebook?
To the given numbers. Okay. I'll teach you how to make a place value table today and how to place the commas. But let others also join because this is very important topic. And most of you do mistake in this question. Sheesh, something happened. Is your earphone working properly, beta? Yajat, keep your mic, the camera on. And Aras Solanki, please change your name.
Ma'am, my microphone is working properly. I am saying something to my sister. Ma'am.
ऑर्डर करेंगे ऑर्डर.
मेरा
Yes, everyone.
Yes. You can show my mom.
Okay, Sarthak Agarwal, Agni, Araf Solanki, switch on your camera. अगर कैमरा ऑफ हुआ मैं रिमूव कर दूंगी एंड आई डोंट लाइक रिपीटिंग द थिंग्स अगेन एंड अगेन, यू नो दैट वेरी वेल. शीश बेटा ईयरफोन प्रॉपर्ली वर्क कर रहे हैं ना?
This one. Single line is this.
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ, now it is working properly. Okay, good. All right. Now
Ma'am?
let me teach you. हाँ बेटा abacus. Have you drawn the abacus? Have I told you to draw make the abacus?
Now can you please
Ma'am, new abacus.
New abacus.
No,
New
ma'am,
नहीं,
I
old
does not
वाली
draw.
नहीं. Have you got the previous abacus? स्तुति ने मुझे दिखाया
Yes,
था,
ma'am,
right?
I have.
Maybe that previous वाला लेकर आओ.
ठीक है.
I
Okay.
think all our old students, everyone has made that abacus last time, है ना?
Yes, ma'am, I have made.
Just bring it, bring it, bring it, bring it.
My abacus is broken.
Your abacus is broken.
Yes, ma'am.
तो बेटा न्यू बना लेना, बहुत इजी होता है. बिल्कुल भी कोई फालतू वो नहीं करना है, यूज सामान नहीं लेकर आना है मार्केट से. यू जस्ट यूज वन कार्डबोर्ड. जैसे आपका कार्डबोर्ड, जैसे आपका क्या होता है, यू कैन यूज द गारमेंट्स जिसमें शूज आते हैं, लाइक शूज वन यू कैन यूज, है ना. बॉक्स, एनी बॉक्स, कार्डबोर्ड बॉक्स यू कैन यूज. उसमें प्लेस पेंसिल्स इनटू इट. बस बन गया abacus. बस एक आपको क्या करना है, वन स्टैंड, बहुत ज्यादा डेकोरेट नहीं करना है, इट शुड बी नीट एंड क्लीन. बस नो नीड टू डेकोरेट इट. आई हैव टू टीच यू समथिंग, वो आपको abacus से बहुत इजीली समझ में आ जाएगा. ऑलराइट, जो हम लाख 10 लाख पढ़ेंगे वो आपको. हाँ स्तुति, शो. ठीक है स्तुति, टेल मी द प्लेस वैल्यूज हियर. टेल मी द प्लेस
Ma'am.
from the beginning.
Ma'am, 2. 100,000, 10,000.
You can place the finger out there and ये बताओ, ये ones है, this one is ones, this is tens, this is hundreds.
This is 1.
Very good.
10.
Yes.
This
Yes.
is 1,000. And this is 10,000.
Very good Stuti. Very good. Very nice. All right. 10,000 से पहले बेटा, is there any number before 10,000?
Yes, 1,000.
Which one? What is that? 10,000 से पहले क्या आता है? It is lakh. 10,000 से पहले क्या आता है? Lakh आता है, और lakh से पहले आता है 10 lakhs. All right. Very good. Okay, Sheesh, can you show me this? Sheesh, थोड़ा सा पीछे करो and show me the place values here.
Okay, ma'am. I am just wearing my microphone.
Okay. हाँ. Very nice. Can you tell me the place values here?
Ma'am, 1,000,
Saying
100.
starting from ones. Always start the place values from ones, not from thousands.
1, 10,
Show that in the, pick that up in your hand. Then show me. This is ones. This is tens, like this.
Ma'am, it is broke.
Okay, you can hold it. Let it be. Let it be. उससे फर्क नहीं पड़ रहा. Let it be. Pencil से we don't need pencils.
Ma'am, it's 1, 10.
Start from there. Start from ones. Ones की pencil दिखाओ. Show me the pencil of ones.
Ones,
Yes.
tens,
Very good.
hundreds,
Yes.
thousands.
अब बेटा 1000 से पहले if there will be 5 digits, so where will you place that digit? Where will you place that
Ma'am,
digit? If I
1000.
say there will be 5 digits, so how will you place that 5 digit? Fifth digit कहाँ पर आएगा? Because आपने 4 digits है. There are how many digits? 4 digits are here. कितने digits हैं इसमें? कितने digits आ सकते हैं? इसे
Ma'am, 4.
4 digits. You can see 4 pencils, so 4 digits आ सकते हैं. If I want the 5 digits, how will you show me the 5th digit?
I don't know.
You don't know. You will place one more pencil behind 1000, and that will be 10,000. Okay, like this. Show me. Look here, like Athar Singh will show us. Athar Singh, show me your abacus. See his ones is there. Tens ones पे place करो. Ones वाली pencil hold करो Athar. Ones की pencil. Ones. Tens. हंड्रेड्स। बेटा अथर्ड से एक काम और करना बेटा, टेंस के ऊपर टेंस की पेंसिल लगाओ, हंड्रेड्स के ऊपर हंड्रेड्स की पेंसिल लगाओ। ओके ठीक है, जहां हंड्रेड लिखा उसके ऊपर पेंसिल लगी होनी चाहिए। थाउजेंड्स थाउजेंड्स, 10,000, तो शीश बेटा सी, या नाउ इट इज करेक्ट, यस गुड। वेट अ मिनट, लेट मी सम।
Everyone can see arrange the list of animals.
Yes, Athar Singh, please explain this. Ones की pencil hold करो, ones की pencil.
Can you see this? What are the list?
Now place the pencil of tens. Place the pencil of tens. Hundreds, hundreds, thousands, thousands के देखो 4 डिजिट हो गए। अब मुझे पास 5th डिजिट आएगा तो मैं क्या प्लेस करेंगे यहाँ पर? 10,000, 10,000, 10,000 की पेंसिल होल्ड करो बेटा। 5th वन।
Arrange the list of animals.
अब 10,000 से पहले क्या होता है? लाख। लाख की पेंसिल होल्ड करो। 10 लाख की। Very good. Okay, these are the place values. Now everyone understood what are place values? Now speak.
Yes,
Ones. अब देखो, if there is only ones, that means 1 digit. Tens, 2 digits. Hundreds, 3 digits. Thousands, 4 digits. Thousand से पहले क्या आता है? Now everyone will tell me what will come before 10,000.
1000.
What will come before 1,000? 1,000 से पहले क्या आएगा?
100.
हाँ?
100.
No.
1000.
10, 100, 1,000, 1,000 के बाद क्या आएगा? Sorry.
Ma'am, 10,000.
10,000. 10,000. If there are 5 digits, तो कितनी प्लेस है? कितनी प्लेसेस तक होगा?
10,000.
10,000 प्लेस वैल्यू तक होगा। हाँ Suti, what are you saying बेटा? Say it again.
10,000.
I'm not getting your voice. Say it again, please. पास आकर बोलो, पास आकर बोलो।
Answer 10,010.
10,010. चलो, everyone, Zoya, Yuvraj Singh and Vikas Rathod, do you want to remove? Do you want me to remove you from the meeting right now? Zoya, Yuvraj Singh too and Vikas Rathod, do you want me to remove you from the meeting right now? And Zoya and Vikas, you too. Better let me take the net. Acha, abhi I'll take the net. Let's go start.
First, you will write this lesson after you guys same lesson in English, then I will what you have to do.
Okay, see then.
Ma'am, I will try to make abacus of 6 digits.
You got abacus of 6 digits also. Where is it?
Ma'am, I will make.
Yes, you all have to make it. You all have to make it 6 nahi 7 digits tak ka, because you will study about 10 lakhs also now this time.
Okay, ma'am.
6 digits. और बेटा make sure जैसे अर्थात सिंह ने क्या किया हुआ है, 10,000 के नीचे 10,000 वाली पेंसिल नहीं आ रही है, तो आप make sure कि जहाँ 10,000 लिखा है उसके ऊपर उसकी पेंसिल आनी चाहिए।
Okay, ma'am. I will. I remember.
Just make sure this thing. That's it. Nothing else.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Now let's start. Okay. Now I'm going to teach you how to make a place value chart and how to place the commas. देखो बेटा, नंबर्स जो होते हैं ना बहुत बड़े हो जाते हैं, जैसे कि मैंने बहुत बड़ा नंबर लिखा हुआ है, लाइक 5 आपको डिजिट्स काउंट करने में प्रॉब्लम होती है। वेट अ सेकंड। Now see like this. Suppose the number is this. ऐसे हमें digit count करना पड़ता है 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Like one by one we have to count the digits. So what we have to see the place values also. उसमें बहुत time लगता है. So what we do, we place commas in between. हम क्या करते हैं, बीच में कॉमास प्लेस कर देते हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल वंस टेंस हंड्रेड्स, देन वी विल प्लेस कॉमा इन बिटवीन, बट कॉमा हम कहीं पर भी नहीं लगा देते. देयर आर सर्टेन रूल्स टू पुट द कॉमास. आप ये नहीं कर सकते कि आप यहाँ पर कॉमा लगा दो. देयर आर सर्टेन रूल्स टू पुट द कॉमास. ठीक है, सो व्हाट आर दोस रूल्स? First of all, that for that rules you have to learn the place values. Place values होती है once. Now tell me the place values. One से पहले
कौन गा रहा है? प्लीज मैम मुझे सुनाओ.
one से पहले
कौन सा गाना गा रहे हो?
one से पहले.
Let's finish the work, then we hear.
Tell me.
Song.
Open your mics and tell me. 100. Ones के बाद सीधा hundreds आ जाएगा.
10.
Tens.
10.
Then here
100.
100.
Then half what happened?
1000.
Yes, half.
10,000.
Then
10,000.
10,000.
Lakh. 10,000.
Single line on both sides.
See here, ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, and 10,000s.
And I have see what I have
ठीक है.
done.
अच्छा क्या होता है, यहाँ पे फ्रेंडशिप हो जाती है. यहाँ पे ग्रुप बना लेते हैं. जैसे आपके स्कूल में आता है तो स्कूल में ग्रुप बना लेते हैं.
This is what I have written on the screen.
स्कूल में आकर ग्रुप बना लेते हो, फ्रेंडशिप हो जाती है तो वो एक ग्रुप बन जाता है. वैसे ही बेटा इन तीनों ने एक ग्रुप बनाया.
Yes. All right.
इन तीनों ने एक ग्रुप बनाया. ठीक है.
Yes. Yes.
और thousands वाला है एक
तो
So when you come to school, what you do? Wait a second.
please don't give your children on the phone.
See here. Once tens ग्रुप बना लो.
I sent it on
तो ये
the
बेटा ये
WhatsApp.
जो ग्रुप है, इस ग्रुप का नेम है वंश. इस ग्रुप का नेम है, मैंने अपना ग्रुप का नाम रखा है वंश.
पहले जो मैम ने लिखा है मैं वो write it like that.
और इसमें
इसमें
ग्रुप
बहुत
का नाम
line
है.
है, जैसे आप line note किया है. And you will write the correct answers next to it. Okay?
ठीक है. अब क्या होता है, जिस दिन जो जितनी कैंडीज लाता है उसके आगे उसके नंबर लिख दिया जाता है. दे फॉर्म अ ग्रुप. जिस दिन जो भी जितनी भी कैंडीज लाता है उसको उसका नंबर लिख दिया जाता है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल if 10,000 is bringing 3 candies, so उसके आगे उसका नंबर हो गया 3. अब 1000 अगर कोई नंबर उस दिन कैंडी नहीं लेकर आया है तो उसकी जगह क्या लिखोगे?
Yes, बेटा. हिंदी नोटबुक
उसको भूल नहीं जाएंगे. अगर कोई फ्रेंड उनका
Zero.
जैसे 1000 वाला ग्रुप था, 1000 वाले ग्रुप में क्या हुआ, दिस we asked how many, ये दोनों फ्रेंड्स हैं, 1000 and 10,000 they both are friends. अब क्या हुआ, 1000 कैंडी नहीं लेकर आई तो बड़ा ही 10,000 इसको भूल नहीं जाएगा. यहाँ
line के next में you will write the
Okay.
correct alphabetical.
suppose now hundreds bring 4 candies, 10 bring 5 candies and 1 bring
After the line.
understood? Okay,
The scene have you understood? Have you done the scene?
समझ आया? Understood everyone? Yes or no?
Yes.
This is the place value chart. This is known as place value chart. क्या बोलते हैं इसको? Place value chart. अच्छा आप जब
Place
कहीं
value
कॉमा
chart.
लगाते हैं तो कॉमा कहाँ लगाते हैं? Ones, tens, hundreds एक ग्रुप हो गए तो उनसे पहले एक कॉमा, 1000, 10,000 is one group. तो उनको लीव कर दीजिए. Okay. Now open your maths notebooks everyone. Maths notebooks. Take out your maths notebooks.
So because the answers you draw the line and उस तरफ you write the correct.
Take out maths.
तो सही ऑर्डर है कि कौन सा आंसर पहले आया वो लाइन के नीचे लिखिएगा. and on a new page.
If I say a new page, that means you have to start from a new page.
The alphabet maths pen is new page. Nobody can know
मुझे ये मत बोलना मैम बहुत स्पेस है मैम कम स्पेस है मैम ज्यादा स्पेस है. If I say a new page, that means you have to start from a
Yes,
new page.
after the right page, right, the animals that comes first in alphabetical. अगर A से कोई animal है, आप बोलेंगे A से नहीं है.
And whatever I'm writing in a bubble, that is for your information. You don't have to write that.
अगर C से दो है, then you will check the second alphabet.
This is your information. ये लिखना नहीं है जो भी मैं bubbles में लिख रही हूँ. Okay, whatever I'm writing, simply that only you have to write. Exercise 1.3. Start doing this. Write this exercise 1.3 at the top. Okay, write question one.
Pictures we have checked on the classroom. You can do it.
बेटा जिसे क्वेश्चन नहीं दिख रहा है दे में कॉपी द क्वेश्चन फ्रॉम द बुक आल्सो. वो बुक में पेज नंबर 8 से क्वेश्चन कॉपी करना. डिजिट्स आई विल चेंज.
Section of your work. Why not doing your work? Yes, thank you so much, Mega. Thank you. Some children aren't able to see. Now, I will see.
Put commas. Just put commas also. Just you write put commas also.
The verb, after drawing the line, we have
बस इतना क्वेश्चन है.
then you will write in the right alphabetical order. Vasu, what is happening?
Oh sorry, write question A. We will ask question A, not 1. Question A.
Ma'am, we
If
Ma'am,
I
we
write
have
question
to
A, you also have to write
write
question A. Yes, Shrish.
ma'am, we have to write comma or we have to write comma.
What do you have
In
to write?
word?
What beta?
Ma'am, we have to write comma.
Yes, you have to write commas also. You have to place the commas. Put commas also. Bas. I will tell you how to do it. I will tell you the first one, second one you will do yourself.
Okay, ma'am.
See, suppose this is the number. Look here, everyone. Put your. अच्छा लिखो, कितना लिखो पहले. Then I'll tell you. By the time I'm marking your attendance, I'm keeping you on mute for a minute so that I can mark your attendance properly. Do not do yourself. मैं बताऊंगी कि कैसे करना है. Okay, let me take the attendance by the time. I'll take it myself. 4-3. 4-3. Today is 8th of April.
Why you are not doing your work?
Arav Solanki. आज आरुष absent है.
I'm starting with section A. 3A. Please listen to your names and say present ma'am. Which one are present in class? Aditi Sharma.
Arush Chaudhary नहीं absent है. Arav Solanki is present. Athar Singh, Avni Verma.
Aman Ali Khan.
Athar Singh.
Anand
Avni
Patel.
Devansh. Avni
Ansh
Devansh. Sheesh
Abdul
Sudhi.
Verma.
Sheesh.
Okay.
Rishabh is also absent today.
Okay, fine.
Vikas
Aradhya
Yajat,
Mishra.
Vikas
Okay, Vika. All right.
Yajat, Yuvraj Singh,
Aradhya Mishra.
Yuvraj Singh, Zoya.
Aradhya Sharma.
What the answers?
Arjun Singh. Aryan Kalmar. Ayush. Yes, Vika.
And what is? What is the day today? I think it's Thursday.
Yes.
Good morning.
So when we have to do the same letter, we will see the same.
मैम
Now,
8 अप्रैल है.
8 April, day, better day. I'm asking about the day. ठीक है, done. Okay, let's start the next. See how to do this question. Now, everyone, put your pencils down and look at me. Put your pencils down and look at me. Very important. How to do this? जैसे मैं करूँगी वैसे ही करना, okay?
So now,
Now look at me. You have to place. Okay. Let me
Ma'am,
ask
we have to
somebody
do-
to read the question.
Ma'am,
Avni, read
we
the
have to
question.
do
What is
first
written there in the
question.
question? Read the question, Avni.
Make the place value tables to write the given number, put commas also.
So what you have to do here, you have to make one place value table. Place value table कैसे बनाते हैं? You can write like this. 1 hence 100. इसमें कितने digits हैं? 5 digits आते हैं. Since 5 digits are there, so you will make 5 digits table. 2 lines में करना है. One line में आप HTO लिखोगे and second line में आप ऐसे लिखोगे. ठीक है? And make one more like this. History you will write DH, you will write TTH. Okay, TTH stands for 10,000. Now you will place this number from 5. Each is number 5 ones, 0, 6, 7, 1. So what will be the number here? You will write 17 and you have to put commas also. So you will put the comma here, 1, 7, 6, 0, 5 and you will put one comma. Like this, you place one comma here. This is the first question. Okay, then you will leave 2 lines in between. How many lines you will leave in between?
All right, yes.
2 lines. Okay, you will leave 2 lines in between and write down the next question. You will use 2 lines. You will leave 2 lines in between and start writing on this one.
Sorry for taking
3,
sorry the start.
3, 4, 6.
So
No.
Start
मेरा
writing.
नंबर
This second question you have to do yourself. अब बेटा जैसे मैंने किया ना वैसे ही करना. 17605 आपने इधर लिखना, थोड़ा सा ऐसे हट कर लिखना. It should be neat and clean. और ये इसके नीचे लिखना.
Ma'am, we have to do
इसके नीचे
first
आना चाहिए.
question.
पापा लगा.
Two.
Okay, now start doing it in your notebooks and send the work.
To do first question.
हाँ बेटा.
Ma'am, we have to do first question.
Yes, you have to do the first one
now
also.
I'm going to start with B section.
First
And ma'am, we have to also draw the place value table.
Yes, and you will use only 2 lines. एक लाइन में लिखना HTO और दूसरी लाइन में लिखना number. Only 2 lines use करना. 2 हिंदी lines use करना उसके लिए. Don't use a big table. बड़ी सी table नहीं बनानी है, छोटी सी 2 lines की. Okay, let me make it on a paper and then show you.
Radha Rashmi, Angel Tommy, Arjun Upadhyaya, Aryan.
Let me show you on a piece of paper.
How you have to do it. I'll say everything that is now. Okay.
But use scale. Use of scale is very important. If you will not use the scale, I'll consider आपको जब notebooks देने आओगे ना मैं तो सिर्फ 0 दे दूंगी.
Ayushi Gangwar.
मैं चेक नहीं करूंगी विदाउट स्केल वाली notebooks.
Okay. Ayushi Singh.
I'm showing you. Wait a second. It should be neat and clean.
उसी से इधर से दो बाकी
बेटा, और हाँ ये गैप होगा दोनों के बीच में।
और बाकी ओके जैसे कान्हा कार्तिक कविश काव्यांश
Let me show you
मोहम्मद
the
शाकिर खान मोहम्मद खान
this is class 4th AB now.
Prasan Raghav
Then you have to leave 2 lines and then you have to do the question number 2. Like 3, 2, 3, 4, 6.
Rohit Singh Saksham Samar
I'm sharing it on WhatsApp so that you can see कि कैसे करना है.
Shikha Singh
Or I can show you here also. You can check on WhatsApp also. WhatsApp it is going and here are for attention.
Shreyas Kakwan Siddhant Saxena Siddhant Saxena
See here. Let me show
Tejas
you.
Chaudhary
Like इससे ज़्यादा lines use नहीं करनी है. These are 2 lines. You have to use only these 2 lines. Not more than this. एक में आप लिखोगे ones, tens, hundreds. Second line में आप number लिखोगे. Okay?
Okay, everyone's done. Everyone's done this. Yes, I marked you. Yes, I marked you. Summer. Yes. One by one, I have marked you. But I have already marked you. Now, this is not the way. This is not from any book, Ariel. Have you colored it, children?
Ma'am, please see, I have written right.
Color it also.
Yes, sheets little bit up. This side. Of the face. नहीं, wrong side. Yeah. This side. A little bit this side. थोड़ा सा ऊपर.
Yes,
Up.
one by one, Abhikant.
Yes, correct. But you have not put this comma one. ये comma वाला number नहीं लिखा है आपने. Write this one also.
Okay, ma'am.
Beta, don't forget to write down this number. This is very important.
Okay, finish you.
Ma'am, please check my.
Yes,
Ma'am, please
Vikas,
check.
correct. Yes. You will send it to me on WhatsApp, please. Athar Singh, perfect, very good, very nicely done. Athar Singh, बेटा थोड़ा सा मिस्टेक कर रहे हो. I told you not to. ये वाला नंबर यहाँ लिखना है, not here. नीचे लिखो इसके and leave 2 lines in between. After every question, leave 2 lines in between. Athar Singh. And बेटा विकास आपने बिल्कुल ठीक किया है, but आपने सेकंड वाले का नंबर कॉमा के साथ नहीं लिखा विकास. Vikas, put the number with the comma. Athar Singh, please use scale. Don't do without scale. Stuti ऐसे नहीं, wrong, absolutely wrong Stuti. बेटा मैंने WhatsApp पर भी शेयर किया Stuti, this is completely wrong. Rub it and do it again. This is not the correct method. Method ही गलत है ये पूरा. Do like this. और मैंने आपको WhatsApp पर भी शेयर किया. If you are not able to understand, you can just check on WhatsApp also.
My friend, please check mine.
Devansh, very good. Very nice, Devansh.
Thank you, ma'am.
Vikas, perfect. Vikas ऐसे बोलते हैं perfect word. Excellent. Sheesh, very nice beta. Very good. Very nice. अच्छा बेटा एक चीज और देवांश, put comma in between, not point. Point नहीं होता है, वो comma है बीच में. It's not a point. It's a comma. This is very nice. You are done correctly, Arpit. Good. Avni, very nice, beta. Now who else is left? Yajat is left. Stuti, Yuvraj Singh. Now third question दे रही हूँ, जल्दी से 1 minute रह गया. Third question copy करो और उसे करोगे खुद से. Question 3 लिख रही हूँ बेटा मैं यहाँ पे. Leave 2 lines in between and write question 3. जल्दी से read what this is your
Ma'am, if it does not copy, please send it on WhatsApp.
3 or 4 जल्दी से देखो. हाँ वो ठीक है. I WhatsApp it also, but right there also 9499. Okay, Kunal, very nice. And 4 questions 55055. Jaldi se copy them down quickly. Only 1 minute is left for this meeting, so you can just copy down the question, leave a space, and you can do it afterwards. Even I will send you on WhatsApp also. These are your homework questions. These both are your homework questions. Copy down the questions and I'll send you on WhatsApp.
And we have to do these now or after the classes?
You can do it now, otherwise this is your homework. Next time when we will meet, this work should be completed of everyone.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay? Make note down these two questions quickly.
I have noted.